Oh no, I ruined my... I'm going to do almost everything exactly to the recipe with the exception of, since I made oat milk, I'm going to use the oat milk instead of the almond milk. What we need here is I have a cup of oat milk and a half a cup of ice. I've got about a quarter of a cup of oatmeal. I have about a quarter cup of peanut butter. I'm going to use 3 pitted dates, and I froze and I cut 2 bananas and froze them overnight. Now let's put in our frozen bananas. Now, one thing that I did when I freeze bananas is I take parchment paper and I fold it over. That way the bananas don't stick to themselves and they don't stick to my bowl. Let's go here. Smoothie. Oh no, I ruined my... Folks, this is live. I think that I took off. This is not great, folks. I ruined my... Okay. Let's see here. This might not work. I ruined it. I mean, like, when I do a can she make it, the answer is no she can't. Because I'm an idiot. Hey, honey.
Yeah.
I did something stupid.
Smoothies usually go in cups.
That's not the stupid thing. I'll give you a second guess. And no, I did not do this on purpose. Believe me, I did not do this on purpose. I'll give you a second guess as to what happened.
See, that's the thing you froze the bananas in. What's the red stuff? Wait, is that a measuring cup?
It's not a measuring cup.
Was it a measuring cup?
It was not a measuring cup. I'll give you one more.
Where's the tip of the favorite love spatula that we have?
I think it's all of it.
You poked this in there when you shouldn't have.
I did.
Yeah.
It's all of it.
I don't see any missing pieces or chunks, or it looks like it was a pretty clean cut.
So see, folks, don't stick anything in the blender when it's still running. Oh no, I ruined my... Did she make it?
Apparently not. See, who wants to go and spend $1 at the Starbucks for a smoothie when you can ruin a $10 spatula, a $300 Instant Pot blender?
So it was not, it was 69 cents.
So you interrupted my video gaming for this?
Yeah, because I didn't think you would believe it unless you saw it.
Oh, it's you cooking. I believe it.
Okay, we're going to try it again.
You could have told me the kitchen was on fire. I'd have believed you. You hear that sound? That's the blender going. The blender is sad and groaning for your cooking.
This needs to be the thumbnail. You need to take a picture of me with this.
Now you know why. Now you know why it comes with its own little thing you're supposed to stick in there.
I'm so mad at myself.
The blender said, I know. I'm gonna go to Starbucks. Been done in 10 minutes. Like $55. I gotta keep the camera so low because I'm so short. Fine, my head ain't gonna be in this one. No. It tastes pretty good.
So what did you think?
Are we supposed to taste dates?
Wow.
I don't taste that. What does a date even taste like? Isn't it like a dried up prune?
Would you like a date?
Yeah, but Becky's not around. Man. Maybe the sweetness is the date, not the banana. Not better. Trust me, anything that came off that thing was small enough that you wouldn't need to be able to taste it. We feel it with your tongue anyway.
I don't know. I'm pretty.
All the date chunks were at the bottom. They weren't really, like it wasn't thick enough for them to, they settled out.
Right.
If I had a spatula, I could scoop this up and drink it.
I guess I'm going to have to get on the Zon. Because that is one utensil we just... Look, I tell y'all how bad I am in the kitchen all the time. And this might be the first time you've actually seen me go...
That spatula.
I'm so sorry.
Great-great-grandma Effie gave you
No,
that.
Great-great-grandma Effie did not give you that. Aunt Tarjay got you that.
Yeah, great-grandma Effie, everything was cast iron and aluminum. They didn't have no silicone.
I'm pretty
cover.
sure that my aunt bought us a Tarjay gift card, and so Aunt Tarjay got that.
Tarjay. Beverly Hills or something. Which probably would have kept the dates better mixed into it.
Let me ask this. If it had been more frozen, the fact that I ruined our slim spatula, are you just going to let it go?
That was my favorite spatula.
Alright, so I need to take a picture of me with just the tip.
Just the tip?
Uh-huh.
Haven't you learned about poking things in a hole when you shouldn't be poking them in the hole?
So I think that that's it. I mean...
Man, no, my favorite.
I mean, can you tell if it's it? Because I want to keep making this smoothie. To make sure I didn't mess up my blender.
Well, it's rubber. Blender is fine. I ain't worried about your blender, I'm worried about my spatula.
I know, I'm so upset.
Well, this thing's gonna slide.
Woo. Now you know why I said that floor. Are you okay?
Back. Lift shirt. How bad is it?
I mean, it's red. But...
Ooh, that hurt. Ooh.
This smoothie is not worth it.
My back hurts, but
I'm so
good.
sorry.
My back hurts. Ow. That really actually hurt.
Now you know why I said this floor is too slick.
Well, it's just because it ain't got a layer of kitchen crust on it yet, like the other one does.
Be sure to come back on Wednesday when we make tahini with sesame seeds, olive oil, and use a Cuisinart mini prep food processor. If you love our content, be sure to let us know by subscribing to our channel.